My first day as a 27-year-old. Oh. I'm just gonna show you guys my little day today because I have some really nice wellness-y things revolving around my day today that I just want to share with you, okay? Everybody uses wellness as a way to advertise, but I really do feel like my day today is all about like making me feel good. So, supplements. I put all my supplements in this little container so I can kind of take them like a shot because I don't do well taking things that are shaped like that. When I put them in my hand and then try to like put them in my mouth like that, I literally choke and gag and they just don't go down. So this is much easier. I'm not gonna tell you about all the supplements I take because I take a lot, but they basically are for like women's health and things of that sort. And now I'm gonna finish this. Let me show you what this is. I'm addicted to this stuff, but this is a new flavor for me, the cacao. I made a video a while ago about why I'm not vegan anymore because I was vegan for a really long time. And this is not vegan, it has collagen in it. This has calories and protein, so I really like drinking this first thing in the morning because it gives me a little something, you know? I'm dressed for the gym. I have sweatpants on because it's really cold outside, but I have shorts underneath. And that's gonna be the beginning of my first day as a 27-year-old. I'm gonna go move my body. I'm a little sore because I did a little workout yesterday and I have not really worked out consistently these past couple months because I've been sad and it's been difficult for me to like feel motivated to do something like that, like move my body. But I wanted to end my last day as a 26-year-old and my first day and start my first day as a 27-year-old, offering that to myself, movement. Yesterday I just stretched and did a very short little workout, but I am sore, but that's okay because today I'm doing legs and I wanted to do legs today because legs are my favorite thing to work out. Quick rundown of my workout. First I ran a mile, then I stretched, and then I started off with these single leg deadlifts, then I did hip thrusts, then leg curls, and then the machine. I don't know what this is called, but you sit on it and you open your legs, and then the opposite is when you close your legs, and that's what I did today, 3 sets of each. For obvious reasons, I did not film my entire workout in the gym because that would make me uncomfortable. But I got a great leg workout in and everything is working out so beautifully this morning. I am about to go get a little facial. I haven't had a facial in a very long time and I am so excited for this. And the girl who's doing my facial said she's running about 15 minutes late, which is perfect because it gives me time to pick up a little breakfast before I go get that done. But I have to show you my birthday outfit because it's so cute. I just called to place the order for my food. It's my absolute favorite little cafe here in Charleston. Also, I'm in Charleston. I don't know if I told you that, but tomorrow, Jared and I are actually leaving. Beautiful. My camera died, so I'm going to film the rest of this morning on my phone, but hopefully I can charge my camera before the rest of the day, so that way because it's better quality, you know? Anyways, we're going to Puerto Rico tomorrow for a couple of days as part of my birthday trip. I'm thinking about filming a separate video showing you what we do in Puerto Rico. We actually went there the very beginning of this year in January and we fell in love, in particular this tiny little beach town. So that's where we're going. I'll show you guys that in the next video. Forgot to show you my jewelry today. If you want to check out any of the jewelry I make, go do that. Also completely forgot to tell you guys, I did my eyelashes yesterday and laminated and tinted my eyebrows because I didn't want to worry about doing it today. I do them myself. I'm a licensed esthetician. I'm also, if you've seen some of my recent makeup tutorials or follow me on Instagram, then you might know I am going to be traveling for makeup applications and special occasions, and wherever I travel to, I advertise my eyebrow services and my makeup services. So if you ever want me to do any of those things for you, email me. I am planning on traveling for these things. Okay, just got to the coffee shop. don't know how good this angle is gonna be, but this is literally the best cafe, breakfast, brunch, coffee shop in Charleston. It's called Hiriali, and I get a Buddha bowl and I add 2 scrambled eggs and I also add tempeh, and this is literally the best thing that I've ever put in my mouth. I'm not kidding, I ate this yesterday too. All I ate today was that latte mix, but like I said, it has 15 grams of protein and 130 calories, and that's not really enough for me before a workout. But I don't usually work out as early as I did today. I just knew that I was gonna have such a busy day, so I wanted to get my workout in before all of the craziness of today. So this is like my first meal today. I researched so many salons in Charleston, but the reason why I chose this one was because it was literally the only one that had a descriptive description of each of the facials, so you actually knew what you were going to be getting, and I really appreciated that. In the next clip I'm going to tell you more about what I got. I'm already late to my next appointment. This is literally where my facial was at. It's an old historic home. It's called the Well Studios, and the facial studio is called the Facial Studio, I think. The girl who did my facial, her name is Kate. She's the owner of that salon actually, and they offer so many different things: cupping, acupuncture, massage, and she was absolutely incredible. That was one of the best facials I've had in a really long time. I got the regular standard facial, and then I added dermaplaning, and I asked her to focus on extractions. She also did red light therapy. She used these metal ball things like as a cooling type of therapy. It was just so relaxing. Cool. But now I'm literally running to the car because I have a nail appointment. I told you guys, it's wellness day, it's beauty day, it's feel good day, but that appointment was 2 minutes ago. So good thing I'm only 3 minutes away. I usually like to start my morning off by reading, but because I was literally out the door as soon as I woke up, I decided to read at the nail salon. Let me know if you guys have checked this book out. I'm halfway into it and I like it, but I feel like it's very repetitive so far. I also took my nose rings out for my facial, so this is me just trying to casually put them back in public. I got home a couple hours ago and I literally have just been sitting in this chair and reading the entire time and eating a cinnamon roll because I am exhausted. But we're about to get ready to go to the beach for sunset. We're gonna bring the doggies. So I gotta go put on some layers because it's freezing. Pretty little path. I have on, look at my jacket. I have on this jacket and my cardigan. And I did not forget the binoculars. Truly, today is my day. It's always windy at these beaches here, isn't it? Now we can go for a nice walk and not be suffering. That's what I just said. I thought it would be much windier. It's like Earth was like, here Lizzie, I know you're gonna be freezing already, so I'll slow the wind down for you. It is literally the most gorgeous sunset right now. We're at Sullivan's Island, I think it's what it's called, and this is one of the best beaches for sunset. It's always so windy. Literally every single time I'm at the beach in Charleston, it's so windy, and it makes it so much colder, but it's hardly windy at all tonight. It's truly just the most perfect night, the most perfect sunset. It's still really cold, it's like 40 degrees, but if it was windy, I would be suffering. I'm in the process of getting ready. I just finished up majority of my base face makeup. In general, I don't wear a lot of face makeup, but I'm especially trying to keep it light tonight because I did just get my facial and I'm not filming my entire process of getting ready. But this is like the before. I'm gonna try to do like a fun little festive birthday eyeshadow look, so. Thinking about making maybe a little tutorial on this coming soon. I don't know. I'm gonna put lip gloss on downstairs, and I'm bringing this sweater. I think I'm gonna put it on now actually because it is literally probably in the 30s. Round 2. We made it to Puerto Rico. I'm in the middle of editing this video and I realized I never finished the video. I mentioned in the video that I was hoping to film the rest of that video with my nice camera, but I actually didn't have a camera charger and I had to get one, and I just didn't get around to it that day. So that's why the rest of the video was filmed on my phone. So obviously I'm 27 now, and that means that I have officially been on YouTube for 10 years now. I started my channel when I was 17, I think. I mostly just wanted to say thank you so much for supporting me, all of my changes, all of my growth, all the ways that my channel and my videos have changed, and yet you guys still support me and still show me love, and that just means so much to me. And this has just been a really fun way for me to document my life. That was another reason why I filmed this video, just to document my day, and also to connect with people. It's just been really powerful for me. So thank you guys, and I hope you like this video. I wasn't trying to brag about what I was able to do on my birthday. More so I just wanted to show you, like I said in the beginning, oh lizard, feel good type of things that I did for myself, which included movement, beauty, food, and love, and beach, nature. So that was the main reason why I wanted to show you guys my day. Okay, I will see you guys. I'm in the middle of filming a video of our time here in Puerto Rico, so you guys will see that soon.